Hi and welcome to the very first video about trading on this Web3 gaming related channel. On this channel, I will take you through the very basics of trading, which we will dive deep into this first video, to the more advanced trading techniques that utilize the smart money concept in the next videos. On this channel, I will never talk about crazy trading strategies because they simply don't work. Yeah, all those YouTubers don't gain money with those strategies. If it was this easy, everyone would be rich. I will also never sell you trading signals, because a professional trader earns his money by trading and not by selling trading signals. So let's start with the video. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice. This will be a tutorial about trading basics. In this video, we will look into the Bybit platform to trade cryptocurrencies, and we will also learn about the basics of trading, including the candlestick chart, the main trading styles, the day trading, the scalping trading, and the swing trading. Also the trends, which are the uptrend, the downtrend, and the side trend, and the trend lines, and the support and resistance levels. Learning these basics will allow you to understand more advanced trading techniques and strategies later on in the future as you go along with your trading journey. So this is the Bybit platform, but you can trade cryptocurrencies on other platforms as well, like Binance or Bitget, for example. The main differences between these platforms is the trading fees, as for every trade contract you buy or sell there is a fee to pay, which Bybit has the lowest fees overall out of all those platforms, so it's the best to trade on. Because trading fees tend to accumulate a lot, especially if you do a lot of small scalping trades. On Bybit you can register or sign up directly with Google, verify your identity, deposit money through many different payment methods, and start trading right after. You can also trade directly on your phone through the Bybit mobile app, which I personally use a lot to trade when I'm not at home. As I stated, I will not sell you trading signals or crazy strategies, but if you like this video and want to support me, please consider signing up with Bybit utilizing the link in the description down this video. You will receive many bonuses, including lower trading fees by doing so. You will also receive $5 for free if you just activate your Bybit card. You can utilize this card everywhere, so you can literally do shopping or pay your groceries utilizing USDT cryptocurrency. Now imagine paying with your gain profits. How cool is that? Now let's start looking at the candlestick chart. So as you can see, there is a time frame you can set: 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month are the high long-term time frames, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute are the low short-term time frame. The candle represents the price movement during the peak time frame. So if you are on the 1 hour time frame, each candle is 1 hour of price action movement. The candle has a body and a wick. If the candle is green, means bullish candle. The bottom of the body represents the opening price of that candle, and the top of the body represents the closing price once the candle has expired. The top of the wick represents the highest the price has gone within that candle, and the bottom of the wick represents the lowest price reached. If the candle is red, means bearish candle, it is vice versa. The top of the body is the opening price of the candle, the bottom of the candle is the closing price. The top of the wick is the highest price reached, and the bottom of the wick is the lowest price reached. This said, let's look into the trading styles. There are 3 main different styles of trading. There is scalping trading, which is trading the short-term movements of the price, so it's based mainly on the lower time frames like the 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute time frame. And the trades will usually last 15 minutes to a few hours maximum. It depends on how volatile the price is at that moment. Then there is the day trading style, which consists of bigger trades operation that usually don't last for more than a day. They may also last a couple hours depending on the price volatility. Within this style, you will use higher time frames like 1 hour to 1 day time frames, but the lower time frames will still be checked for a good entry point. This is done to have a more accurate entry. The last one is the swing trading style. This may be the most profitable one, as you will trade the big swings of the price. The trades may last over a day up to a week, and sometimes even more than that. This trading style operates on the big swings of the price. For example, Solana lately went from 60 USDT to 120 USDT in about a week. That's a 100% increase in the price. If you would have longed that with a 10x lever, that would have been 10x profits on your margin entry. So for a long open with 100 USDT margin, that would have been 1000 USDT in profits. For this trading style, lower time frames will also be used for the entry in some cases. Now let's look into trends. You have to know that the price never moves in a straight line. It always has ups and downs for various reasons. An uptrend is when the price moves through higher highs and higher lows. A downtrend is when the price moves through lower highs and lower lows. Connecting the highs and lows will form the trend lines where the price will move within those. But trend lines are never 100% accurate. These two trends can be reversed. For example, the price is having an uptrend, and then the next low may break below the last higher low. A new lower low will be formed, and the price will downtrend from there. And that's called a trend reversal. It's vice versa if it's from a downtrend to an uptrend. During an uptrend or a downtrend, day trading and swing trading are more suitable options to trade, but scalping is a good option too if the price is really volatile, like it happens many times with the altcoins. Then there is times where the price is just accumulating orders and really not making any new higher highs or lower lows. That's called a trendless situation or a side trend. It usually forms in the shape of a triangle or various triangle shapes, or in the shape of a rectangle, which is also called the range. During a side trend, the best trading style is the scalping. When the side trend will be over, a new higher high or lower low will be formed, with the relative higher low or lower highs. Whether it breaks above the side trend, then it may be a new uptrend forming, or if it breaks below, it may be a new downtrend forming. But you have to watch out, as sometimes it does the so-called fake out, meaning it will break over the side trend, but go back inside the side trend immediately, or break in the opposite direction. You can spot a fake out as it has no continuation, and it usually comes with an abnormally high momentum. This is usually done by rich whales to trap traders and eat their stop losses. Now let's go deeper into the trends by taking a look at support and resistance levels. In an uptrend, the resistance level is the last higher high the price has formed. If the price will continue breaking above the resistance level, forming a new higher high, then retracing and bouncing back up from a new higher low, it means the uptrend is confirmed. And the previous broken higher high, which is also the last resistance level, now becomes a support level, which if broken, it may signal a trend reversal, where that same support level will turn back into a resistance level. This is where you may enter your trade. Vice versa for the downtrend. For the side trend, the price may break out above or below the triangle shape or range it is formed. If it breaks above the last high of that triangle, that trend line it broke may act as a support level, and if the price retraces to that, it will bounce right back up from that level, and that's where you will open your long trades. Vice versa if it breaks below. Let's look at how to open trades on Bybit now. So first of all, if you open a long trade, it means you are betting the price is bullish and it will go up. If you open a short trade, it means you are betting the price is bearish and it will go down. Very important is to always set a stop loss for your trades. A stop loss will close your trade automatically if the trade is not going well and the price has reached a certain level. This must be done to cut your losses. There is also the take profit option, which is optional, but if you can't watch the chart and you are busy, it is best to set a take profit too. Stop losses and take profits are also very important for scalping trades when there is high volatility, as sometimes the price is so fast you can't keep up with its speed to close the trade either in profit or in loss. And this will cut your profits and increase your losses. There are two types of orders you can place: market orders and limit orders. With the market order, you will long or short at the current market price. With the limit order, you will long or short at a price you decide. For example, I can put a limit order at Bitcoin's price of 45,000, and the order will be filled only when the price reaches 45,000. Let's talk about levers now. In futures derivatives, you can trade with a lever. The lever will act as a multiplier of the margin you use to open a trade. So for example, you open a trade with 100 USDT, a 10x lever will multiply that by 10, and it will be as if you were trading with 1000 USDT, and it will also multiply the percentage gained or lost. So for example, if you open a long trade with 100 USDT and the price has gone up by 1% with a 0x leverage, it is $1 in profit. With the 10x leverage, it is $10 in profit. But if the price has gone down 1%, it will be with a 10x leverage $10 in loss. This is why you need to be extremely careful with leverages and never, and I repeat, never utilize really high leverages like 50x or 100x. You can trade Bitcoin with a 100x leverage on Bybit. But I can guarantee you that utilizing such a high leverage is the fastest way to lose all your money. Furthermore, to practice your trading on Bybit, there is a thing called demo trading, where you will trade on real charts utilizing fake money. Do this to practice trading without risking your money. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, subscribe and make sure to register to Bybit with the link in the description to support the channel.